everyone! It's Lai of How to Mommy. And today kasi hindi ako nakagawa ng Vlogmas. Napakadami namin ginawa today. Hindi ko naisip na mag-vlog today. Pero babawi ako sa inyo. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my ukulele. And I'm gonna do a Christmas song cover for you. This is going to be the first time. Kinakabahan ako. Sana wag niyo akong i-judge. Hindi po ako singer, pero mahilig lang akong mag-ukulele. Mahilig akong kumanta. So, don't judge my voice. Pero sana ma-appreciate niyo yung effort para makagawa talaga ako ng complete Vlogmas. I'm doing this for you. So, please keep on watching. Oh my God. Am I serious? I'm serious. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the store. But if you'd really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. And the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. As long as you love me so. Merry Christmas, everyone! Actually, hindi pa Christmas, but thank you for watching my Vlogmas. Comment below kung ano suggestions nyo for the next Vlogmas kasi meron pa. Pero wala akong maisip anymore. Bye! My best. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are the lyrics, girl. Say lyrics, girl. Okay. Last. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we find sayo nga, uy. Last na Jude. And since we've no place to, ay mali. And since we, mali na naman. Okay, don't think about it so much. Just chill.